Hi, everyone. So this is a training video on how to accept the team invitation when you have been added to a team via Loop. You are going to receive an email that says that you have been added and created a new profile for you from the team platform support. When you see this email, there is a get started button in the email. I have already logged into my Loop account and have set up a state profile. That's step number one. You'll be added to a state profile when you join LPT Realty. So here I see that I've been added to the Florida LPT Realty profile. And I have an option to click cancel when setting as default, or I can make this my default profile. So for this demonstration, I am going to set this as my default profile to make sure that I am working out of this account and not another office or a prior profile that I had with Loop. If this is your first time using it, you can go ahead and click cancel if it's the only profile that you see in the dropdown. For now, I'm going to click set as profile as default. Sorry. And then I was also sent a invitation to join the Chucktown Homes Florida team. So when you get this pop-up, it is very important that you select the state profile and then click set team profile. If you create a new profile, it will not be integrated correctly, and the admins will not be able to see the loops that you create. So it is important that you create it out of the state profile so that everything is integrated correctly. So once you do set team profile, it will take a second. And when it reloads, you will see the team name over here where it says Chucktown Homes, Florida. This takes just a second, um, maybe about 30 seconds for it to reload. Loop seems to be a little bit slower. Okay, perfect. So now it has reset, and you see here that it says Chucktown Homes, Florida as your profile. Now, when you hover over your account, you will see only one. If you see more than one, you can manage your profiles under the My Account section, and you can make sure under your profiles that this is your default. The one for Chucktown Homes is your default, or any team invite that you have that you've been integrated onto your team, that is your default profile. If you have more than two profiles here and the other one is a blank profile not associated with any team, there will be a button here that says deactivate, and just make sure to deactivate that default profile, not the one that is associated with your team. Beyond that, you will be integrated onto your team correctly, and you'll be able to create loops and templates. Now, if this is your first time on Loop, when you create a new loop, you will get a verification pop-up that shows up for you to verify your account with that email. Once you complete that, you can create loops, and now every loop that you create will be affiliated with the team.